Hello traders, welcome back to this YouTube channel. As you all know, my name is Akiola King. I am the lead instructor. So guys, based on the last video I dropped on how to scalp boom and crash using the average true range ATR. On that video, I only explained how to trade crash 1000 on that video. So there's a lot of comments requesting if the strategy can also work on boom 1000. The answer is yes. The strategy is effective on both crash and boom markets. There are some people that make their own research. They send some screenshot to me. They are trying to use the strategy for boom, which I like so much because when someone give you a strategy, like I always say that strategy is just an idea to expose you to what you don't know. It's left to you to expand the idea on your own. You understand? Or you want to just limit what you know to what the person shared to you. So I like it when I tell people something and they make their own research on their own way to expand the knowledge they get from me. It really makes me happy a lot. You understand? So, but for the sake of the people that need to market or people that doesn't know how to make research on a strategy, so I come up with this video to explain how to use the average true range strategy for boom also. So guys, we are going to move to boom market now. This is bull market. You understand? You will see that when a spike happen on boom, the average range move down. You understand? Sorry, the average true range also move up. That is the difference between the crash and the boom. You know that when the spike happen on crash, the spike faces down. You understand? The spike, it market crash down. You understand? So why boom? The market boom up. So when the market crash down on crash, the average true range move up. So you know there's a contradicting movement here. So one move down, the other one move up immediately. So in the case of boom, when the boom when a spike happen on bull market, that is when the market boom up, the average true range also boom up. You understand? Now the level we use on crash, which is 1.5, is not valid for boom markets. There are some people that got that. They sent some screenshot to me that it happened that the level doesn't work on bull markets, which I also send them back to that they should make their research on the level that works for boom. Most of them came back and they got it right, which I was so happy. And most didn't get it right, which I have to explain to them. And for the sake of the majority that they are in that position that they don't get it right. So that is why I also come back to create this video to explain better. You understand? So we have to go back to where the indicator is to change some things in the parameters. For the sake of people that doesn't watch the video yesterday, we recommend you go and check the video out for some explanation because we have some details in that video you will need to um actually know before you can build your confidence on the strategy. I can just brief some things here. Like I said, Average true range, which is the ATR, is a technical indicator that measure the volatility of the market. It tells how much price fluctuates during the given time frame. You understand? So the indicator was built by Wieswider, the same person that built the RSI, that built the parabolic SAR, and average directional movement, which is the ADX. So the person also came up with the ATR we are using now, the average true range. So it says it's measure the volatility of the market. It also tells the market when the market is about to change the trend. The higher the value of the indicator, the higher the probability of trend change. The lower the indicator value, the weaker the trend movement is. So let's quickly go to the where the indicator is. So here we are not touching anything than the level. So now we are going to change this level to 3.0. Then go back and click on save. Then go back to the chart. You can see before I explain, if you watched the yesterday video, that previous video, automatically you should know how this work. Automatically, without me being explaining anything, you should know how this work. So if a spike happen, a spike bring the moving average of the ATR above the level 3. So count your five candle, five candle. Don't be greedy. Know your risk management has to be in check. So five candle. If you take more than five candle, if anything happen, at your own risk. That is just it. Five candle. This is called scalping. When you are scalping, you are not meant to stay long in the market. The word scalping is doing things at the blink of eye. You understand? Just do it immediately and assist the market. You understand? Do it and assist the market immediately. So count your five candle and leave the trade. Close the trade. That's okay for you. That is how this works. On Crash, we use 1.5. On Boom, we use 3.0. You understand? Let me share something with you guys. The reason for multiple strategy on this channel is because we create an options. Strategy don't give you money in the markets. Don't let me lie to you. Strategy don't make you money in the markets. You make the money, not the strategy. Like Mark Douglas said, he said, you don't have to know what is going to happen next in the market before you make money from the market. You understand? So, and like I always say that trading is 80% psychology, 20% methodology. All this one we are doing is just the methodology. You understand? So, having a strategy are just the variables that give you an edge that creates probability on one direction than the other. That is just what strategy is. So the rest is you. The execution is you. The risk management is you. The money management is you. The trade management is you. How do you manage your trade? When you are in profit, how do you react? When you are in loss, how do you react? That is what makes you a trader. You understand? So as a trader, you should be able to accommodate loss because without losing and be okay, you can't become a profitable trader. Let me explain that once again. Without losing and be okay, you lost and you still smile, that is where you are becoming a profitable trader. Because most of the accounts, like I said in the last video, like most of the account that was blown is out of revenge. You don't want to end the day in loss. You keep on stacking trade. Or you are in losing position, you want to recover, you keep on adding to losing position, which is the deadly decision ever. Adding to losing position is the deadly decision I've ever known. You understand? Because market doesn't change trend because of you. Market will never change or do anything because of you. We only react to what the market is doing, not what you think the market should do. You understand? Not what you think the market should do. We react to what the market is doing. So this is how the strategies work. Once you see the spike above the level 3, count your 5 candle, assist the market. Count your 5 candle, assist the market. You have the chance of counting more than 5 candle, but you are not allowed to count more than that. The 5 candle is fine and okay. Just count your 5 candle and assist the market. It will really help you to manage your emotion. You understand? When you are in position as a beginner, you are not yourself. Every decision you take at that moment is through your emotion. Your emotion will control you. If you are starting trading for the first time, like the emotion will control you, especially the money you use to fund the account. It's very important. It contributes a lot to your trade. Like someone that funded his account with his monthly salary, all his monthly salary, a fund account. 100% the person will blow that account because you don't want to lose that money. Maybe you lose $1, you want to recover the $1. In the process of recovering $1, you can lose $100. Yes, it has happened to me. I'm talking from experience. In the process of recovering $1, you can lose $100. That is just trading for you. You understand? So, guys, I hope you understand what I explained in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to on the notification bell because we drop trading strategy on this channel every time. Every time. So, guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible.